Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you guys how to make cute flower using pointer finger and two colors of wool. Wrap around on your pointer finger the first color of wool for 15 times. Attach needle at the extension of the wool and use that to sew round the wool. When you get to the point you began, sew to secure. Attach the second color of wool on the woolen design. Sew around the woolen design with the second color to make visible combination. Attach medium-sized bead at the center to cover the opening and to make it even more beautiful. I believe you all will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.